Do you have a clear 12-month strategy and direction for your business? Have 90-day plans which outline exactly what you'll focus on to maximize growth? No, you're not alone. My name's Rashid Koppel. Working with hundreds of business leaders, one thing stands out. They constantly fight fires rather than clearing the underbrush. Most get subsumed in short-term tactics rather than spending time on overall strategy and direction. Which means either they aren't consistently growing or the opposite is true. Fast growth, which leads to chaos, delivery issues, and unhappy customers. If this is your reality, join us for a strategic growth workshop where you'll develop a framework of exactly what you'll need to do for the next 12 months, broken down into 90-day chunks, giving you the best return on time, money, and resources you expend. In the strategy day, we'll cover issues inhibiting your growth, be it an unclear vision, strategy, marketing, or sales issues. Our proprietary value gap analysis will determine exactly what your clients value, differentiating yourself from your competition. This will feed into a strategic marketing and sales plan we'll help you develop. You'll set your priorities and focus for the next 12 months and ensure the right people are in the right roles to set accountabilities and KPIs that are clearly defined and can be met. You'll walk away with a clear plan of action ready to be implemented. Now, we are not all things to all people. Our focus is on 4 key business areas: your vision, mindset, strategy, marketing, and sales. So, if you're wading through the mud and looking for clear direction and strategy, reach out and we'll have a preliminary discussion to see whether we're a good fit. If we believe that we can help and you agree, you can decide to move forward. If we don't think we're suitable, we'll let you know and recommend other resources. You can get further details by contacting us on our website, revealedresources.com. Till then, this is Rashid Koppel.